In this guide, we'll show you how to install an ABB ReliaHome T-Series load center on a concrete wall. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary tools shown here. The enclosure allows for either top or bottom feed. Just rotate it 180 degrees depending on your wiring layout. Start by identifying where the main service cables will enter. If they're coming in from the bottom, rotate the enclosure 180 degrees before mounting. Next, determine the final mounting height. Once that's set, locate the position for the self-leveling screw. The keyhole slot makes it easy to level the unit and simplifies installation without a second person. Secure the enclosure to the wall using the appropriate concrete screws. With the enclosure mounted, you're ready to wire the main connections and install the feeder circuit breakers. Finish the installation by securing the cover panel in place.